Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing a full spool on the spool pin and securing it with a cap. This prevents slipping. Feed the thread through the first numbered guides. Those are there to control direction and tension. Make sure the thread comes off the spool in the direction your manual shows, since wrong orientation causes tangles. Once the spool is stable, pull the thread toward the tension discs, but don't open them yet. That step comes as you route the thread across the machine. With the spool stabilized, guide the thread down through the tension discs and up into the K-cup lever. This lever moves to create stitch loop control, so it must be threaded when at its topmost position. Next, bring the thread down along the front throat plate, following any lower guides. These keep consistent stitch formation. When you reach the needle, slow down and thread from front to back unless your machine specifies otherwise. If the eye is tiny, use a simple threader to now wind and insert the bobbin so its thread feeds in the correct direction inside the bobbin case. This aligns lower tension. Turn the hand wheel toward you to lower and raise the needle, catching the bobbin thread and pulling both threads to the back. Lower the presser foot and stitch slowly on scrap fabric to confirm stitch formation. If stitches skip or knot, rethread the top path, check needle orientation and condition, and verify tension settings. These 3 checks fix most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.